Babe,
Hmm?
I just want you to put my picture as your profile picture in your TikTok.
Why?
I just want to, I just want, because there's many women around us in social media they think that you are not serious of me because you're just single in your profile picture. So I want you to put my picture as a profile picture in your TikTok account.
I mean, you already know who I am, so everybody knows who I am. They know I'm with you. What does it matter?
But that is important of me because it's mean that you are mine.